You're gonna love the 2019 Honda Pilot. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Give in to your craving for an SUV that's both rugged and refined. This Pilot is versatile, spacious, and designed for all-weather adventure, as well as comfortable cruising. With all-wheel drive and advanced safety technology, this is the family-friendly SUV you've been waiting for. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, lane keeping assist. Modern refinement meets rugged capability in this family-friendly Honda Pilot. Come on in and take it out for a drive.